In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification, whether you're on a phone or a laptop. So without further ado, let's dive into the process. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Google account creation page, which you can find at accounts.google.com/signup. When you get there, you'll see a form labeled Create Your Google Account. This is the starting point for setting up your new email address. Next, you'll need to enter some basic details. Begin by typing in your first and last names. After that, you'll choose a username. This username will become your new Gmail address, so make sure it's something you're happy with and that it's available. For example, it could be something like johnsmithtone25@gmail.com. Once that's done, it's time to create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. Confirm your password by typing it in again, then click Next to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to add your recovery information. Though it's optional, entering a phone number can help with account verification and security. You can also add a recovery email, which is useful if you ever forget your password and need to reset it. Following this, provide your birth date and select your gender. Once you've filled out this information, click Next to proceed. At this point, you might be prompted to verify your phone number. If Google requires this step, they will send a 6-digit code to your phone via text. Simply enter the code into the designated field and click Verify to complete the verification process. Once the phone verification is complete, it's time to accept Google's terms and conditions. Carefully review the privacy and terms information. After you've gone through them, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click I agree. That's it! Your Gmail account is now set up and ready to use. With your new Gmail account active, you'll be automatically directed to your Gmail inbox at mail.google.com. From here, you can start sending emails by clicking Compose. If you want to further personalize your account, navigate to the Settings section by clicking the gear icon. Here, you can customize your email signature, theme, and filters. Additionally, you can add a profile photo to give your account a personal touch. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail account without the need for phone number verification. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.